Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson I'll be showing you how to draw the invisible woman from Fantastic Four. So you want to start in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom, and then bend that back up toward the top. Let's leave a small gap and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now in the center of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the pupil, and we'll fill those in black. And then we're going to place some thick lashes across the top. From the top of the left eye, let's step in. We're just going to taper this, going up so it gets thicker, come down the side, and then we'll just curl that up on the end, bend this down and in toward the side of the eye. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the lashes in black. Now let's add in some eyebrows. From the top of the left eye, we're going to bend this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to add some thickness from the outside point, go up higher in the middle, and then back down towards a point. And I'll fill the inside of the lashes in black. Now let's move to the center of the face, draw the nose. Starting from the left side, draw the bottom edge coming down and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going across the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to step down and draw the mouth. From the left, comes down and then up. Let's add in the lips. In the center, just up above the mouth, let's draw a V. From the left side, bend this down and out. Do the same thing on the right. And then add the lower lip. Starting back on the left, come down and then up. Now with the face complete, let's move up and draw the edge of the hair. We're going to start above the right eye, right here. Let's brush the hair, coming down, up, and then down along the side. Now underneath the hair, we're going to draw the side of the head. Starting up here, curve this around the eyes, pull this down and in toward the center, just underneath the mouth. Now I want to bend this all the way around the right side, around the eye, and then pull that back up toward the top point. On the right side, we're going to add the ear. Curve this around, and then in, add a fold across the top, step back and add a hook. Now we're going to go back to this point and brush the hair over towards the left. So let's start by going around, up towards the top. Now we're going to come around the side, come down, and then we're just going to curl that up. Let's draw in the right side. Starting up here, we're going to go around the ear, come down and in, and then curl that out. Let's add a point on the end. Come down, and then pull that up towards the head. Now I want to add another point. So we're step out, pull this out, and then we'll come down and then up. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with that large collar. Starting on the left side, curve this down and then up. Let's step down on either side, bend the body going out and then down towards the hips. From the hips, curve the belt, coming down and then up. Let's step up, draw that same curve for the top of the belt, and then leave a gap in the center, draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's go to the top of the body. We're going to draw a circle, and then we want to add the number 4 inside. So we're going to start from the very top in the center, come down toward the left, come in towards the middle, come all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's draw on the right side of the 4, coming down and then out, step down, come in and then down, and we'll add that little triangle on the inside. Let's go back to the buckle. We're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. We'll start with the left side. Going down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we want to leave a little gap along the inside. Now let's go back up to the hip. We want to draw the outside of the leg with that same curve, going out and then down on top of the feet. From the foot, let's step up, add a curve for the edge of the boot. Now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. So we want to take this curve, step up, and then just trace that across from toe to heel, and then from heel to toe. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. Start the arm right here, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, come down towards the same height. Now from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and then up around that bracket. Let's step down for the second finger. Now the third finger, blend into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now halfway up the arm, we're going to draw the edge of the glove. We're going to bend this up and then out. And then sign your art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw the Invisible Woman from the Fantastic Four. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I post new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.